first of all, let's see what is an adjective. An adjective gives more information about a noun or a pronoun in a sentence by answering one of these questions that are what, kind, which one, how, many. Now, in the phrase blue car, car is the noun. Here, if I ask what kind of car, the answer is blue. So the word blue speaks us about the kind of the car that is noun in this phrase. That's why the word blue works as an adjective. Again, here the phrase is this town. We all know that town is the noun. What town or which town? The answer is this. So the word this modifies the town. Which one or which town? This town. So the word this works as an adjective. Here the phrase is three boys. Boys naturally is the noun. How many boys? Three boys. So the word three tells us about the number of the boys, and that's why the word three works as an adjective.
Now let's move on to the topic degree of comparison. The word degree means level or measurement. That's why degree of comparison means level of comparison. Every adjective has 3 degrees that are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. These are the 3 types of degree of comparison. These 3 degrees of adjective express the intensity of the adjective in increasing order. Let's see some examples. Abhi is tall. Sonu is taller than Abhi. Raj is the tallest among the 3. So here tall, taller and tallest are the 3 different forms of the same adjective tall. In the first sentence, we are not comparing Abhi with anybody. We are just saying that Abhi is tall. So, this is in positive degree. In the second sentence, we are comparing 2 persons, Sonu and Abhi, and saying that Sonu is taller than Abhi. So, in this sentence, a comparison has been made between 2 people. That's why it is in comparative degree. In the third sentence, we are comparing more than 2 persons. Here, in fact, 3. And saying that Raj is the tallest among the 3. That's why it is in superlative form. So as a definition, I can say we use the positive degree of an adjective when we are not making any comparison. So this degree is used with only 1 person. We use the comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing 2 persons or things. And lastly, we use the superlative degree of an adjective when we are comparing more than 2 persons or things. Adjectives change in form when they show comparison. Let's see how. Some adjectives form the comparative and superlative degree by adding er and est to the positive form. Let's see. Here the positive degree is bright. So the comparative degree of bright will be brighter and superlative form of bright will be brightest. Similarly, first is in positive form. The comparative form of first will be faster and the superlative form of first will be fastest. Sweet is the positive form and the comparative form of sweet will be sweeter, and and the superlative form of sweet will be sweetest. Similarly, tall is in positive form. The comparative form of tall will be taller and the superlative form will be tallest. Some adjectives form their comparative and superlative forms by adding R and ST to the positive form. For example, brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest, and many like that. Again, some adjectives form their comparative and superlative forms by adding IER and IEST to the positive forms. Let's see how. When a positive degree ends in Y and there is a consonant before it, we change the Y into I and then add ER and EST to the comparative and superlative form. Here easy is the positive form and the comparative form of easy will be easier, that is changing the Y into I and adding ER. And the superlative form of easy will be easiest, that is changing the Y into I and adding EST at last. Similarly, dry is in positive form. The comparative degree of dry will be drier and the superlative form of dry will be driest. Happy is in positive form. The comparative form of happy will be happier and the superlative form of happy will be happiest. If the positive degree ends in Y and there is a consonant before it, we do not follow this rule. In that case, we just add ER and EST to the comparative and superlative form. So, grey is in positive form. The comparative form of grey will be grayer and the superlative form of grey will be greyest. You will find many more examples like that. When the positive degree ends in a consonant with a vowel before it, we double the consonant and then add ER and EST to the comparative and positive form. So the comparative degree of hot will be hotter and the superlative form of hot will be hottest. So the comparative form of big will be bigger and the superlative form will be biggest. When the positive form has more than 2 syllables, we add more and most before the positive form and make comparative and superlative form. For example, here the word is beautiful. How many syllables are there? Beautiful. 3 syllables. As in this word we have more than 2 syllables, we have to make the comparative form as more beautiful and the superlative form as most beautiful. Similarly, the word intelligent is in positive form and the comparative form of intelligent will be more intelligent and the superlative form of intelligent will be most intelligent. Again, there are some words that do not follow any of the rules. Here are some examples. The word bad is in positive form. The comparative form of bad is worse and the superlative form of bad is worst. Here, the comparative and superlative form are made by using new words. Similarly, good is in positive form. The comparative form of good is better and the superlative form of good is best.
I hope this video was helpful for you. I will come back soon with my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.